Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to forward emails in Gmail on your Android device. Sometimes you might receive an email that you want to share with someone else, and forwarding it is the easiest way to do that. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail and go to the email you want to forward. The first step is to open the Gmail app on your Android device and go to the email you want to forward. Step 2. Tap on the three dots for more options. Once you have opened the email, tap on the three dots located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will give you more options. Step 3. Tap on Forward. From the list of options, tap on Forward. This will open a new email message with the original email attached. Step 4. Type the email address of the account you want to forward an email to in the To field. Type the email address of the account you want to forward the email to. You can also add a subject and a message if you want to. Step 5. Once you're done, tap on the Send button. Once you have entered the email address and any additional information you want to include, tap on the Send button located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will send the forwarded email to the recipient. Conclusion. And that's it. These are the simple steps you need to follow to forward emails in Gmail on your Android device. Whether you want to share important information with a colleague or simply keep someone in the loop, forwarding emails is a quick and easy way to do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this one.